automatic speed monitoring and automatic speed control. Thanks to this speedometer, on YouTube you can find many videos about this tachometer, but this is only detecting the speed, gives you information, but it's impossible to use this signal for another control. So I decided to use a traditional gauge, and I used the pointer coil to connect it to my control here, but it didn't work because the coil also had pulses. So I came to this control or tachometer, which you can see here, with only a few wires. I get a 10 to 10 volt signal to my control, which is from Technische Alternative 16x2. You see here, Drehzahlkontrolle with speed control. I make hand on, and you see the control says I have no turns because the engine is not working. This here is the RPM indicator. On connection 12 we have the signal of the Hall sensor. On 14 we have the minus pull of the battery and of the Hall sensor. On 15 we have the equipotential bonding with the control. On 17 we have the plus pole of the battery and of the Hall sensor. And on 9 and 10 we have the connection to the power supply. On 8 we have the ground. On 2 we have the minus connection of the 0 to 10 volt signal, and on 1 we have the plus connection of the 0 to 10 volt signal. Before you connect your wires to the control, you have to figure out which exit you need. If I have out one like me, you need the default value 500, and this is placed here. Or if you have connection 2, it's placed here. Due to I don't need any decimal place, I have 0. My working speed is around 2000 RPM, so I have to use the value H because I have a high speed model. This is what I told you. I have not really understood the sense of it. The corresponding speed for 10 volt is for me 3000 RPM, because this is a speed which the motor can reach but will not have in my application. Due to I have no password, I have here 0. Before starting the engine, you have to program the tachometer, and so I make hand on. So now we have speed on it, power on it, and first we make set, and I have output 1. I say yes, it's 500, that's the value which is required. I keep it, keep set, and that's it. And now I press set a long time. And now there comes the digital place, I need one. I have 60 frequencies per second maximum. Peak curve. I have no digital space. My speed is high because I am above 200 turns per minute, second, minute, RPM, 200 RPM. This is output 1, I have it. I don't have it. LC. But this is when I have a 10 volt. I have 3000, which means at 3000 RPM I have 10 volts. But if you have roughly 9500, when you make 10,000 RPM is 10 volts. CIU. This is if I need a passport. I have no. If I have no passport, I have 0. HF is something with this too. And now it's finished. The sensor gives the information to the control. And then the motor starts automatically. Tachometer gives the information automatic speed monitoring and automatic speed control. Thanks to this speedometer,